Hello kiddos, let's learn shapes with the help of different colors. So let's learn colors name. Parrot color, parrot color. Parrot color, brown color, brown color, brown color, purple color, purple color, purple color, sky blue color, sky blue color, sky blue color, black color, black color, black color, green color, dark green color, green color, parrot color, star shape,
Wow!
brown color, triangle shape,
Amazing!
parrot color, square shape,
Wow!
sky blue color, heart shape,
Amazing!
rectangle shape with black color,
Wow!
dark green color, circle shape,
Amazing!
this is a star shape, star shape, triangle, triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, square shape, square shape has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, heart shape, this is a heart shape, rectangle, rectangle has 4 sides, 2 equal sides, 2 equal sides, circle, circle has 1 side. Bye bye kiddos, like and subscribe. Bye bye.